We have a 2015 Honda Accord LX. It's a certified unit. It's got 31,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, this is really cool hematite metallic, kind of like a green metallic color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Come down the driver's side of the vehicle here. Everything looks really good. No problems there. Come along the back side of the vehicle. It is equipped with backup camera. Alright. And it does have alloys. Alright. Down the passenger side of the vehicle looks really good. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, driver's side door panel looks good. Really cool little cloth insert here. Alright, it is equipped with black cloth seats. Alright, the cloth looks like it's in really good shape. Alright, no problems with the driver's seat at all. It does have 2 keyless fobs that come with it. Okay, passenger seat's in good shape as well. No problems there. It is an automatic. Dual climate controls. CD player. All right, that's where your backup camera is going to be there in that nice big screen. I'll go ahead and turn that on for you in a second. Alright. It is equipped with Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. Alright, it does have a convenient power outlet right here and your USB plug-in. Alright, no storage facility there. Come up through here, the dual climate controls again. We've had the AC going out for 10 minutes. AC's blowing cold. Alright, and there's your screen right there. Alright, I'll go ahead and engage it into your backup camera. Alright, nice big backup camera there. Alright. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 31,603 miles. Back seat door panel is in good shape. Go ahead and check out the back seat cloth here. Everything looks really good, no problems with it. Alright, I'll go ahead and slide in here. Give you a shot of the layout here, kind of the driver's eye view. Everything looks really good there. I'll go ahead and pan out here, give you a shot of the trunk and your trunk space. Alright, as you can see, plenty of room back here. Got the really nice thick rubber mat to protect your carpet. Okay, but everything looks really good back here in the trunk. Go ahead and show you the passenger seat from this angle here. Get this out of here for you. Okay, as you can see, the passenger seat cloth's in good shape as well. Very nice. Dash looks good. Door panel over here as well. Go ahead and give you a shot of the wheels and tires. Alright. 16-inch alloys on this Accord. Tires are in good shape. Plenty of tread left there. Alright, once again, this is a 2015 Honda Accord LX. It's a certified unit. It's got 31,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.